Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix a gyro drift using a proper code and ev3 labview. So first you have to go to flow control and take the loops block and then go to gyro sensor, rate and then put it on equal to 0. Next you have to go to sensors and take the infrared sensor block and put it inside the loop. Next you have to take a delay block and put it on for 0.1 seconds. Next you have to go to sensors again and take another gyro sensor block and put it to measure rate, and now take another gyro sensor block and put it to gyro reset. So this code will fix your gyro drift. Thank you.